Hi, Mr. Clark. Yeah, I have one question for the report card. Here I see 88 in English. Why? Why you have 88 in English? You don't know English? Huh? All the songs to Spice Girls, you know how to say. They don't speak English. What they speaking? Japanese. 88. Alright. Alright. 88. Okay. Uniform, everything good, but sometimes wears lipstick. I didn't know my daughter was Jackie Onassis. That you are wearing lipstick. Bravo. I'm gonna talk to you later. I'm gonna talk to you later. She listens very good, but she is talking in class. Talking in class. Oprah Winfrey, you have the show. I didn't know. The 100% attendance is because me, okay? Even if she's sick, I don't care. You're going to school. You know when I was little how I go to school, okay? With the rain, like this, in the bowl. I had to go.